Yeah, good day everyone. Let's continue with some of the solution from the just concluded NECO exam, the mathematics. This is the theory section. Now, we were asked to find the value of s from this logarithm equation. Now, the question says log open bracket 5 minus s 5 minus 6 minus log open bracket 2s minus 3 equals to 1. Now, let's go to the solution straight. Look, if you look at this log now, don't be confused. The bases were not given clearly, but once a log is written like this without showing you the basis, the log is in base 10. Once they write log like this without indicating bases, maybe base 5, base 2, base, the log is in base 10. At times they will put the 10, at times they will not put the 10, but it is in base 10. Now, the next thing is the equation is equal to what? 1. You will need to convert that 1 to log so that everything will be in logarithm. So log 1 is log 10. Let me tell you the reason why. Let me give you an instance. Let us assume if the question have base 5. Let's say this question is 5s minus 6 log base 5. Then this will also be log 5 base 5. Log 5. So it will have the same base and the same value. Now, if this is assumed to be, is this not even assumed? This is base 10. So it has to be log 10 base 10. Okay, that is why if you want to convert this one to, you are going to convert it to bigger because this is already in base 10, like I told you earlier. So this will now be log 10. Now, what you are going to do now is you are going to this side have negative, and in under logarithm rules, negative will change to division. Negative will change to what? Division. So it means we are going to divide this value by this. So we have 5s minus 6 all over 2s minus 3. You still put the log, because they both have the log, you put the log aside. Yeah, you put like so. What you are now, once you have expressed it like this, then you can now take all the log from log can divide log. So it will now remain 5s minus 6 2s minus over 2s minus 3 equals to 10. Then here now you cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, this 10 will multiply this remain, because this is 10 over 1 here. 1 times this one will still remain this. So you have 5s minus 6. This value 2s minus 3 times this will be like this. Then once you expand open the bracket, you are going to have 10 times 2, you have 20x. 10 times minus 3, you have minus 30. So here now you collect like times, you bring this to this side because this is positive here, it's going to be negative here. So you have 5s minus 20x. Now this is negative, is coming here, is going to be positive. Now you work it out. 5s minus 20s will give you 15 minus 15x. Then this minus 30 plus 6 will give you minus 24. So what you are going to do is divide both sides by minus 15 so that you can find the value of x. So this, you can see it here. Minus 15 will take away 15. Minus 15, you have x. Minus 15 will be divided by minus 24. So what we are going to have is you reduce this to lowest term. 3 can go in both. So you have 8 over 5. By the time you say 3, minus you cancel minus already. Then you now say, how many 3 can you see here? You have 8. How many 3 can you see in 15? You have 5. So your final answer is, you can't stop like this. This is an improper fraction. You need to change it to a mixed fraction. You need to change it to a mixed fraction. So what we are going to do is, you say 5 in 8, 1. Then remainder 3. That's 3 over 5. Or if you want to change it to fraction, that will be around 1.6. And that's the final answer. Please share and comment under this video. Bye bye.